guys, good morning. This is Mel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. So today I'd like to show you how to put basic formula or function into a spreadsheet inside of MS Excel. So I don't have MS Excel pre-installed on my laptop, so I'm going to access it online using office.com. So let's start. First, you would have to pull up a browser and then just go to office.com. And then from here, it will actually ask you to sign in using your Microsoft login details. So if you already have Skype, it's the same login details. Once you're logged in, it will actually route you to this page wherein you can use Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free. Okay, so we'll just pull up an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, here it is. So again, I would like to show you how to put a basic function or formula into a spreadsheet inside of MS Excel. Now, today, the example that we are going to use is finding a total for a series of values and the average for a series of values. Okay, so um, for Excel, guys, columns and rows are actually represented by letters and numbers. So, for example, for this particular cell, it's called E4 or cell E4. So, E for the column and then 4 for the row. Okay. So, in order for you to be able to enter a formula into Excel, we will start by entering an equal sign. So this will let Excel know that you are putting a formula as opposed to a text or a numeric value. Okay, so after that, you would just have to enter the function that you would want to use. In this case, since we are actually looking to get the total, it would be the function of sum. Okay, and then just put in open parenthesis and then type in the cell that you would want to include. So in this case, we would like to know the total for cell B4, C4, and D4. Now, instead of you entering all of those cells, what you would need to do is just enter the first cell, which is B4, and then colon D4, which is the last cell. And then just put close parenthesis and then hit enter. Okay. Um, another way for you to be able to do this. So let's go to E5. Let's do the same function. So again, we'll start with an equal sign to let Excel know that we're going to be entering a formula. And then just type in the function that we would want to use, which is sum. And then open parenthesis. Now, instead of you manually typing the cell number, what you can do is just highlight the cells that you would like to include in the formula. Okay? All right. After that, just enter close parenthesis and hit enter. Okay? Now, with average, it's going to be the same drill, but instead of you entering the function sum, you would have to enter the function average. So it's the same thing. You would have to start by entering equal sign and then just type in average and then open parenthesis, input the first cell, which is B4, and then colon, the last cell D4, and then close parenthesis, and then hit enter. Okay. Same thing if you want to use your mouse. So equal sign, average, open parenthesis, and then highlight the cells that you would like to include on the formula or the computation, and then close parenthesis, and then hit enter. Okay. Now, there is another function for Excel, which is what we call the AutoSum. Okay, so let me show you. So, example for this one, we are also looking for total value. So you just have to go to home page of your Excel file, and then just go to AutoSum. Okay, and then just click on that. All right. So as you can see, it will automatically populate the formula for the cells or for the value of the cells um, right above it. Okay. So just hit enter, and that's it. So you can also do this for average. So when you go to average, just go to again to home screen. And instead of auto sum, as you can see, there is a drop down arrow here. Just click on that, and then just click average. Okay. Now, if you will notice, it actually automatically includes all of the values right above it. How it was actually done with sum earlier. So since we don't want to include the total value on this, what we can do is just use your mouse and then highlight the values that you want to include. Okay? And then from there, just hit enter. All right, and now guys, I would like to let you know that Excel also has an autofill function wherein instead of you manually entering all of the formulas again on this like four cells right below it, what you can do is just highlight the cell that already has a formula, and then go to the portion or the lower left portion of the cell until the cursor becomes a plus sign, and then you can just drag it down to the four cells. Okay. Now, what this actually does is it will copy the formula that we have entered on cell E5. So it will not actually, or it didn't copy the exact formula, but it will copy what it does. So if you hover the mouse right here, you will see that the formula is equal sign sum and then B5 to D5. If you will hover the formula on this one, instead of it having the cell B5 to D5, it will now show B6 to D6. So it will update the references because Excel knows that the total value that you would like to get on this one is for the cell on the left side of it. Okay, so same goes with average. All you have to do is click on the cell that has formula in it, and then just wait for that or hover the mouse onto the lower left corner of the cell until the cursor becomes plus sign, and then click and drag on the four cells right below it, and it will still do the same function. And to complete this exercise, I will just go to the cell right here, which is the B9, and then copy the same formula for February and March. And then same goes for the average for February and March. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like or a thumbs up. And then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be updated for more tutorial videos. Thank you very much for your time today and for watching this video. Have a great day ahead, and God bless you all. Goodbye.